In my video guide, I will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the online scam, fake and misleading pop-ups that are associated with the site Aug.promob2.click. So these are fake alerts. They use deceptive messages instructing people to download and install certain potentially unwanted programs. Now, I assume that there may be another similar link, Aug.promob2.click. Let's check that. Anyway, all these pop-ups are absolutely faulty and deceptive. They try to make you think that your security subscription is out of date and that you need to download and install some protecting software for your computer, but all these pop-ups also claim to be the part of some well-known security program, but they are not related to it. These pop-ups, in fact, try to make you download and install some other potentially unwanted software. So don't interact with them. They are faulty and they are absolutely deceptive. Such pop-ups may be the trace of some adware to be enabled in your computer. We recommend you to thoroughly examine the control panel and uninstall any items that are suspicious. If you find some suspicious applications, get rid of them from this list. To make sure that your system is free of other threats, we recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button. Install the program and begin thoroughly researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.